The Shacke Pak 5 set packing cubes offer a lot of bang for your buck, especially when compared with similar cubes at this affordable price point. The set comes with 4 cubes in different sizes: extra large, large, medium, and small, plus a laundry bag that's roughly as big as the extra large cube. Each piece is made of polyester fabric, which feels stiff and rigid, yet has a durable, puncture-resistant quality. This material does add some weight, bringing the whole set to about 19 ounces, roughly 500 grams. However, for most travelers, an extra pound in their luggage is hardly a deal-breaker. One standout feature is that they all include mesh panels on top, allowing you to see what's inside each cube without unzipping. They also have a fabric handle stitched securely on one side, making it easier to pull cubes out of a backpack or carry them around a room if you need quick access. And while some people like a flexible material in their packing cubes, the slightly rigid structure here helps them retain a rectangular shape when stuffed. That rigidity fits well inside suitcases, ensuring minimal wasted space around the edges. Despite their affordability, these cubes come with YKK zippers, which is one of the more reliable brands for travel gear. The zippers feel sturdy when you open and close them, and the added zipper pulls make it even easier to get a firm grip. If you prefer to separate dirty clothes from clean, the included laundry bag is handy for just that. Keep in mind, though, that these cubes aren't machine washable, so you'll want to hand wash them in cold water if needed. If you're looking at other budget-friendly cubes, like Amazon Basics or e-bags, the Shacke Pak set stands out due to its more durable fabric and included laundry bag. The build quality is solid enough for most trips, even after repeated use. Keep in mind, though, that if you tend to stuff everything into a single backpack, compression cubes might be a better option since they shrink things down more. But for most suitcase packers, the Shacke Pak set does the job well. Taking everything into account, these cubes earn the title of the best budget packing cubes for people who want a no-frills, durable option that organizes clothes neatly. They handle heavier loads without tearing, include convenient extras like a laundry bag, and sport high-quality zippers that rarely jam. If you're okay with minor drawbacks like slightly heavier weight and stiff fabric, they're a solid investment for keeping your clothes tidy on your next trip. To sum up, what I like is the durable polyester fabric with sturdy stitching. It includes a laundry bag for dirty clothes, reliable YKK zippers, and the reasonable price for a 5-piece set. On the downside, color may not match exactly online listings, it's slightly heavier than some alternatives, and it's not machine washable.